Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to configure CCNP Encore Packet Tracer, configure and verify NTP. Friends, if you find our videos helpful, we kindly request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So here we can see our addressing table for this NTP. So we got one server, then two routers and one switch. So in this activity, we will configure NTP, that is Network Time Protocol, on R1 and R2 to allow time synchronization. Network Time Protocol, that is NTP, synchronizes the time of day among a set of distributed time servers and clients. While there are a number of applications that require synchronized time, this lab will focus on correlating events that are listed in the system log and other time-specific events from multiple network devices. NTP uses the User Datagram Protocol, that is UDP, as its transport protocol. All NTP communications use Coordinated Universal Time, that is UTC. An NTP server usually receives its time from an authoritative time source, such as an atomic clock attached to a time server. The NTP server then distributes this time across the network. NTP is extremely efficient. No more than one packet per minute is necessary to synchronize two devices to within a millisecond of each other. Here they talk about this NTP. Now, step 1 NTP server. Server N1 is already configured as the NTP server for this topology. So we can see our server here, N1. Verify its configuration under services, then NTP. Okay, when we click on the server, we can see services here. Then go to NTP here. And we can see all the details. It's already configured here. So we need to put on this NTP and we need to set the time and date as per our requirement. So that this time, date, everything will be configured on the clients. From R1, ping N1 using this IP address 209.165.200.225 to verify connectivity. The ping should be successful. Yes, then only they will get the time. So we will go to R1 and we'll ping it. Sorry, we'll go to R1. Then CLI enable, here we will ping it. Ping to our server. Yes, success rate is 80% and now it's 100%. Repeat the ping to N1 from R2 to verify connectivity to N1. Okay, we try from R1, R2 also. Okay, it succeeded. Next is the step 2, configure the NTP clients. Cisco devices can be configured to refer to an NTP server to use to synchronize their clocks. It is important to keep time consistent among all devices. Yes. Configure R1 and R2 as NTP clients so their clocks are synchronized from this NTP server N1. Both R1 and R2 will use N1 server as their NTP server. Correct. So check the current NTP and the clock settings as shown below. On R1, show NTP status, show clock detail. We'll go to R1. Show NTP status. You can see NTP is not enabled. Yes, we need to configure that. We will do it. Also show clock detail. And here we can see the time and the date. Configure R1 and R2 as NTP clients. Use the NTP server command to specify an NTP server as shown below. In global configuration mode, we need to give this command NTP server, then IP address of that NTP server. So first of all, we will do it on R1. Configure terminal, NTP server, and then our server IP address. We will save it. Then here repeat this configuration on R2 also. Yes, we will go to R2, configure terminal. We will set the command NTP server, then IP address. Okay. Now we are going to verify NTP settings in step 3. Check the clocks on R1 and R2 again to verify that they are synchronized using show clock detail. So they given a note, when working on physical routers, allow a few minutes before R1 and R2 clocks are synchronized. Yes. With Packet Tracer, you can use the fast forward time button to speed up synchronization. So execute the same command on R2. So are the clock synchronized? We will check that. So just keep in mind, when we do it in a real devices, I mean physical routers, we need to wait some time to synchronize. In Packet Tracer, we can give this fast forward option so that it works faster for the speed synchronization. So now we will verify. Go to R1 and we will check whether it is synchronized or not. Show clock detail. Sorry, it's a detail. And we can see time source is NTP. Previously we given show clock and it's 1993. Now we can see it's 2019. So it's synchronized. Time source is NTP. Perfect. Same way we will go to R2 and we will verify NTP. Show clock detail. Time source is NTP. Check the NTP status and NTP associations by using the following commands to verify NTP operation and configuration. Show NTP status and show NTP associations. So we will try these commands also. Show NTP status. So we can see the details here. Clock is synchronized. So reference. So here they shown the NTP server IP address. Show NTP associations. So here we can see the address, clock, all the information given here. It's a simple activity. We can see completion status 100%. So friends, if you find our videos helpful, we kindly request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.